Festival season's on us. Are you prepped? Here's a couple of essentials to help you out while you're camping. Number 4 is an absolute game changer in the colder mornings. First up, power banks. Don't go anywhere without them. Average phone is about 5,000 milliamps. This is 20,000. I'd say go for that because that'll give you about 4 full charges. Nothing worse than when your speaker dies in the middle of a campfield. This solar power one will charge as you play. It's also waterproof, so ideal. Keep yourself fed when you're camping with gas camping stove. Takes butane gas. And also, while you're at it, get yourself a camping kettle. Ideal for the colder mornings when you're camping. So if you forget your power bank, grab yourself some walkie-talkies. One of the friends is probably over in a different field. Stay in contact. Brighten up your campsite with a torch. See where you're going in the middle of the night with a torch. Illuminate the space in front of you so you don't fall over someone else's tent. Camping with a little bit more comfort. Shop now, urbansmegastore.ie.